joining us for the celebrations of 76th Indian Republic. Well, actually it's celebrated on 26th of January, but since we are in Thailand tomorrow and most of us are busy celebrating in Pattaya, so we decided to celebrate this today on board. Since we are celebrating this day every year on Ada Stella, most of us know why are we celebrating this, but for the people who are joining for the first time, I would like to paint a very brief picture why we are celebrating this day. Indian Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January of every year to mark the day when the Indian Constitution was adopted in 1950. Back in India, in New Delhi, from where I belong, we have a spectacular grand parade showcasing actual real India with its military might, cultural diversity and achievements. This day is not just a celebration but also a tribute to the visionaries and freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for the independence and laid down the foundation of the biggest democracy in the world. So now, I will not take much of your time as I know you guys are waiting for the delicious food. Thanks to our galley team for preparing this delicious Indian food. And last but not the least,